Wobble here. Now we can push it towards you a little bit.
Is that more even?
Yeah. That's a little more sturdy.
Well, because this side's the heavy side, you
Yep.
know?
So I think it's gonna stay right where it's gonna be. What's nice about this level? Very expensive level. This is why
Oh, nice. There's an
you
extender.
can go as high as you want.
Oh, that's helping. Oh, that helped a lot. I just shoved that in more.
Go down just a little. That's the center. Oh boy.
You're saying that because we're close to a thing?
Yeah, so we might have to go in a little bit.
Okay, the whole
The
thing?
whole thing.
Or just this?
No, the whole
Whole
thing.
base?
Because the whole base.
Alright, how are we gonna do
You
that?
have to be at least an inch away from that.
Okay, where are we at now?
Where, well, that's this.
Yeah.
Take the pipe up there. Got an 8-inch pipe going through there, so we gotta go over probably 2.5 inches.
Ooh, okay. How are we gonna do that, Dad?
That's where it's gotta be, I mean.
Okay, but I'm saying, how do you wanna move
Oh,
this if
that-
you're not
that's not a
breaking
problem.
tile? Okay,
That's no big deal.
just literally leveled
Yep,
it all
I'll move. I'm just saying for your room, if you're, it's all gonna be pre-made though, right?
Yes,
You're gonna have
but
a,
I need enough
Well, you're
room
gonna
for the
be-
sinks, cause the sink's gonna come out to like right here.
yeah, you gotta have
So-
at least 5 inches here, so.
Okay, well, that should be, so really only like 2 inches off of this, okay? Okay,
And then on the back end, on your cabinet, we're gonna have to have steel or something too.
yeah, I mean, we can get that galvanized steel stuff,
Whatever.
that's pretty cheap, okay. How do you want me to help?
I'll do that. Okay, what I'm gonna do,
Yeah,
pick up this, and you're gonna take the tiles off again.
okay.
Same thing with the other side. So don't break them. We'll just make sure that we.
This one's all right.
This one too. Really look here. I just wanna make sure the part weight. This is the end of that. You're good. That's gonna go right about there. Let's see.
Okay, if you look up that side, you can push up my feet.
You might be able to.
And I'm gonna do that. Great, go. There.
Another half inch. Right there.
I'm done.
This will stay that one, but I'll take it.
Yeah, sweet. Well,
I grab the title there.
better or worse?
That's not bad. It's gonna move a little bit.
Okay.
All right. Well, getting that piece in, that's,
Yeah.
right about there.
Yeah. Here. There we go. That's a nice fit. Okay.
Well, I'm just gonna lean it up there.
So you can measure. Yeah. Okay.
Wider. You got her going, or
I don't know. I can't tell.
I think I can hit her from here.
Okay, I'm at a weird angle, so give me a second. Let me get down so I can see.
Yep. Alright,
Okay, you want the fatter piece or this piece again?
the fat piece works better.
Wait a second.
Yep.
Okay. A little bit more on my side corner.
I gotta hit it down?
For sure, yeah. Alright, stop for a second. Stop. You need to hit on this side right here. It's the only part that's not down. Good. Good. Oh, okay. Good. Oh. Hold on. I don't even know if you're attached anymore. You're really waving it. There you go. Stay.
Yeah, I know. I'm just
Okay.
trying to make it work. Okay, now we get some screws. I don't know if I take that one right off.
Yeah.
That'll hold it. That's gonna cause more problems than.
Yeah, because it's on a hump.
Yep. Okay, so I need the Sawzall. Okay, can you find me some screws for the steel? See, if I pull this down, then I get a gap here.
Okay, well, I think we should seal it with the large one on the bottom and then take the top one and go over top.
Okay. Make sure it covers. That's all we gotta do is cover the steel.
Due to the steep angle of the roof, we had to make a run to the hardware store to find a roof gasket that would cover the elongated hole.
Is that covering it?
Yep.
Okay.
The piping, however, is too small for the larger gasket, so we had to layer the silicone pipe gasket that was originally ordered with the pipe on top for a proper seal.
I think I can seal that up now.
The one above that one.
What do you want?
It looks like it needs to move that way.
Oh, well, we can
Not
get
that one, but yeah.
Yeah, we can get that one. Okay, which way? On it right under the window? Well, if that goes right under the window, we can always put the...
Well, if you can get this on this side though, like obviously not in here. If you,
Like that?
yeah, is that?
It'd be easier.
Shink. And then it's got like two things on the side here if we needed to move it like out to put anything behind it, you know? Does that look right?
That 2x4, no, 2x4 is
it's
not
not.
crooked, or it's
Right.
crooked though.
Okay. Oh. Boy, that's gonna be toasty.
Even with the cement board and leftover steel, there is plenty of airflow between the cast iron stove and the wood wall.
Toasty. Feels nice. Maybe I'll try to roast my pumpkin in here tomorrow for pumpkin pie puree. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Something there, so I just enough to hold it in case you need to do that, so. Leave my grill out here in case you need it. Good 5 years ago. To do it again then, but